Hi everybody and welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts, and today what we're going to do is snowflakes, but we're going to be doing it a little bit different. So in your craft kit you're going to get 12 Q-tips and a lovely piece of blue paper. So it'll be your sky. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your first 6 Q-tips and you are going to, well, maybe it's 8, and you are going to make the sides of your snowflakes. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. Maybe I'll glue them first and then show you. Okay, be right back. Okay, so I did my first ones, and it was 8 of them, and this is what I did. Can you see? There I did. That's what I did. Kind of makes a kind of neat little snowflake. There, that's probably better. Yes. So now what you can do with the other ones is you could actually put them so they would go like this. But what I'm thinking we could do is take the Q-tip and break it into half, and then you might need a pair of scissors. I need a pair of scissors. Just a moment. So then you're going to have these half Q-tips, and what you can do is take your glue and you can put them to make your snowflakes look like arms on the snowflakes, and I'll show you in just a moment. So I put my extra pieces on the snowflakes, and so now it looks like this. Oops, needed to wait a little bit longer. Anyways, they're supposed to attach like this. There we go. Can you see it? And now, so what I'm going to do is, I have some glitter glue, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it even more sparkly, because snowflakes are sparkly. Okay, so now I have glued all my extra little pieces to the snowflakes. So it'll look maybe like this. Can you see it? Looks kind of like snowflakes, and I did find you have to glue both ends of the little extra pieces, otherwise they float around all over the place, which is not good. So then I have my glitter glue, and you can make really cool little, this stuff is really goopy. Oh, a little bit too much goopy. Show you what I mean about too goopy. Okay, so you could do something like this. And you could do as much as you want, or as little as you want, or what you could do is you could color it. You can do a whole bunch of different things with this. So that's it for today, and we would love to see your snowflakes when you got them done, okay? And we'll see you again soon at Cozy Corner Crafts, and we'll see you on Thursday at 10:30 for our story time, Cozy Corner Stories, and we'll see you soon. Bye.